Our first debut presentation is from Medical Department, District Medical Department, East Garo Hills, based on the theme 100 Days Campaign ni Gumban Kandaki Agan Talatani.
Ya campaign Jayan India's Operani Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ni geta aba chinga dingpa program a. Ya program ko riang pa busi hadagni ko Operani December jaoni aba chinga taha. Aro Anchini District ko ba Sni Tarik December hadagni ko Priyo Anchini Deputy Commissioner Sri Bivor Agarwal ni Jakchi Obrakatane ko dakin ba ya program ko aba chinga taha. Ya program ko Kolgapuri March hadagni kalibuhaw na kengke angin. TV sabitichi siataku camping na kamko kaanian ya 100 days campaign ni dapat kita awal mengkotika maksudnya. Ya screening ko semantici de screening rangko takinya aro X-ray machine rangko rangi tim saito X-ray rangko kanya. Ya tis ani rangko dakaninya mamut kanda paisa nanja. Aro Nixta mitra ni TV sakbarang na dakchakani ko una gataga dentang menderang ba kumong rumani ko aro didiani ko ba dakina. Ya screening ko dakani si singnang TV sani ko masiso we singnang sana kanani ko dakna gata nagin. Unigaman ya 100 days campaign o East Garo Hills District ko lumba sungan sini du parang nugma sadarang dujani du parang NGO rang ko aro sakanti sumdung pa mandarang ko ya campaign ni gaman sakanti na makakadani ko una dia tingang TV Hariga Desh Jitega.
Debut presentation is from District Rural Development Agency, East Garo Hills, William Nagar, on Rural Housing Scheme, PMAYG. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin is a flagship program with a mission to provide affordable Paka houses for economically weaker section of the society with a financial assistance of rupees 1.30 lakh per unit of houses. 95 main days of unskilled wages from MGNREGS is also provided for the beneficiary of this scheme. Apart from this, the Government of India envisages to provide clean toilet through SMB household tap water through JJM. Electrification through SAU PHAGYA and LPG connection through PMUY to the beneficiaries of the housing scheme. Our third table presentation is from PHE Department in Garo Hills on Jal Jivan Mission.
Jal Jivan Mission ko Sisukadariyo Jagatagpa Village Water and Sanitation Committee member round. Ya committee yo sakdo kuni chigni member round dunga. Kumibiyo ba subunga person ichigrang ba. Ya rangan dakna nangnirang ko takura. Village Water Sanitation Committee member round kamchat kupa kamrang ko ka. Jikai kamapasirang ko bule. Warang chi chipai perang ko nirok sumsakang. Rumong grisong mukantiyo, rupi subunga kai water fix ko gila, gugungan tangka kasurang ko dentang na nanirang na sakalang. Ya somni mandarangni kamko niki wina gata mana mai kai aksan kucho san. Ugani si aro sinsake si ko rongkalani ara sakay sinan namgita na.
Coming up, our tablet presentation is from Horticulture Department East Karo Hills on mushroom mission. The mission strives to augment farmers' income by providing an alternate source of livelihood and an activity that can be taken up during the lean season when temperatures are suitable for mushroom cultivation. It is an alternate income generating activity that is integrated into farm business to enhance farm income. The objectives of the mission is to scale up mushroom production in the state to diversify the dietary pattern of the state, so nutrition and health of the citizen is improved. In East Karo Hills district, oyster mushroom is being cultivated widely by the farmer due to favorable climatic conditions and easily available of paddy straw. And the next tablet presentation is from Medical Department East Karo Hills on prevention is always better than cure.
Simsaksue sabi sirangoni naljoki donganian sana bananiko dakna batte nambat kupa nga. It non-communicable diseases LCD yang sebenarnya na bato berbeda kupa nga. Ya sabi sirang mungkin bati mengijar rasa keamanan akhir kita. Ya sabi sirang hypertension, stroke, diabetes, cancer, kakso ni alam disease sabi sirang. Ya sabi sirang na jangi tanga gemuk samlang ko rona danga awal tanga pasirang blongin bona. Undi ba da aude government hospital rawa undin sana banani ko dakna maninga. LCD ni asilan East Karo Hills aro agam ko bata beri gendon aro dambe mandira semua yang tulija segenang susuknya. Mandi sa konsulsa oni saksukdok na bati ya sabi sirang asil singa. Simsakani chi aro dambe tangani dewarang ko dun tangatanya chi ya LCD sabi sirang ko namin sensenya na. Dikai turun nadu diin landa kaanilang ko dakyungbo kari aro chini komi chabo tamaku dakang nadu biti aro mesi samja barangko bakni chabo komi bioba kondas ni ba chet walo tu sijungbo anting bajo kanian gamjen nga.
This presentation is from District Commerce and Industry Center, East Karo Hills. The Prime Minister Wisma Karma Scheme is a central initiative aimed at skill development and entrepreneurship. It offers training in wide range of professions from traditional crafts to modern technologies, helping individuals enhance their skills. The scheme also provides financial support and guidance to aspiring entrepreneurs, fostering local businesses, job creation, and economic growth. It is a step towards building a strong, self-reliant nation.
Prime Minister Wiswakarma Scheme Jian Mamong Sukarini Badang Shwalani ko aro tanga sapani ko nang dapat na utpa scheme na. Ya o adita jaksi thariga bosu ni nation si thariga bosu rang aro nakar kanirang ko thariga na aro nang dapat na daksanin ko na. Ya scheme ni gita tangha pesa rangchi aro training na ni rangchi takandang na ni rang ko ninga jechin samjang tango badang chiwalani rang ko takduat na aro ham rang ko nakadatna daksakani ko magin. Yan asong ko lakat na aro antang tango mangragat na gita jatudi ani wa.
This presentation is from District Social Welfare Department, East Karo Hills, on Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. The Department of Social Welfare celebrates the 10 years of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme from 22nd January till 8 March 2025. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme was launched on 22nd January 2015 to address the issue of declining in the girl-child sex ratio in the country, along with the related issue of empowerment of girls and women in the society. Today, women are making a mark in various fields such as literature, finance, technology, defense, healthcare service like doctor, nurse, etc. The aims and objectives: improve in the sex ratio at birth by 2 points every year, improvement in the percentage of institutional deliveries or sustained at a rate of 95% or above, 1% increase in first trimester antenatal care registration per year, and 1% increase in the enrollment at the secondary education level and skilling of girls, women per year. Next today's presentation is from Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, East Galahos. Meghalaya Land Project, through its inclusive supply chain and enterprise development, provides essential financial supports to micro-entrepreneurs to support rural economic development. Through Ginger Mission, Ginger model plots are established in over 7 integrated village cooperative societies of East Galahos, which aims to provide the base of information on the choice of variety, the package of practice implemented, effect of disease and other environmental factors on the growth of plants. The objective is to stimulate private investment across various stages of agri-supply chain, including input supply production, post-harvest management, processing machinery and support services. Mega lamb farmers market are also expected to generate additional revenue for farmers management committees, including representation from all primary stakeholders. This market offers improved infrastructure and basic facilities, including storage, packing sets and better sanitation. Social forestry. East Galahos. On agarwood production in Meghalaya. Meghalaya, often referred to as the Lord of Cloud, is known for its rich biodiversity, and now a new frontier is emerging in the region's agricultural landscape. Agarwood cultivation through the draft Meghalaya Agarwood Promotion Policy 2024 under the State Forest and Environment Department in collaboration with local communities. Cultivating agarwood in Meghalaya not only taps into a very high demand global market, but also offers environmental benefits. This Republic Day, we celebrate the vision of sustainable agriculture that supports local communities, promotes ecological balance and contributes to India's growing presence in the global agarwood market. Coming up, we have Meghalaya State Skills Development, East Galahos. The rising unemployment in the state and the increasing number of youths aspiring to join the workforce each year is a significant concern, not just for the state, but for the nation as a whole. In response, the Meghalaya State Skills Development Society has been actively engaged in several initiatives to promote skills development, enhance employment, and create entrepreneurship opportunities throughout the state. The tableau is designed to showcase the contribution and achievement of the government of Meghalaya through the Meghalaya State Skills Development Society in delivering top-tier skills development initiative to the people of Meghalaya. The theme of the tableau is Overseas Placement. Meghalaya State Skills Development Society aims to meet aspiration of modern, dynamic and competitive workforce. It also highlights a skilled ecosystem that is evolving, ultimately contributing to significant remittance for the state. And we have our last tableau presentation from MEPDCL East Garo Hills. The Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited proudly present a tableau on the transformative Prime Minister Surya Mufti Bijli Yojana initiative. This tableau highlights the Government of India's commitment to sustainable energy, self-reliance and empowerment through the widespread adoption of solar energy in residential sectors. The tableau features a model of typical residential rooftop equipment with solar panel demonstrating the simplicity and efficiency of the system. A mission of PM Surya Ghar Yojana rooftop solar. The PM Surya Ghar Mufti Bijli Yojana aims to revolutionize energy generation at the grassroots level by enabling households to harness the power of the sun. Its mission includes harnessing solar energy, energy independence, economic saving, national energy goals.